Welcome back, my friends, to the show that never ends. We're so glad you could attend. Come inside, come inside. Guaranteed to blow your head apart. Alright, you guys. I guess you can tell I was listening to some Emerson, Lake and Palmer, but first I want to show you how the route turned out. This was my first swimming pool route. It's not that bad. I can live with it. It's going to be covered with a pick guard. I could probably go back and take all them little spots out, but there's really no need to. It's not going to hurt anything. I smoothed it out pretty well. But that's it, swimming pool route. So we'll be getting on with this one later today, doing some things to it. Let me get this out of the way. Alright, y'all, I got the close and tuner buttons for this lap steel. So we're going to be putting them on. And I need something to cut these packages open with. I guess I probably got a pocket knife on me. These are the buttons I end up getting. Clusen butter beans, cream in color. I'm kind of thinking these used to be that light green color. I couldn't tell if that was really corrosion or if that was the color of the old tuners, but these are the ones I'm going with. This is a 7/64 bit. It's got a slot in it there, but I'm going to make this hole just a little bit bigger to start with. Not going very deep. Just open that up a little bit. Now I've seen guys, I've never done this, I've seen guys heat these up and put them on. Either heat the stem up on the tuner with a soldering iron. I've seen them torch the buttons and the tuner itself. But I'm going to press these on. I did one and it seemed to work pretty well, so I'm going to try it again. If I start having problems, I'll end up heating them up. Move that to the middle. I got this handy dandy little baby vise here, so I'm just going to try to crank them on. Do a little at a time, make sure they're going on straight. Back that off and check it. That looks straight. Tough turning, getting tight. Back it off again, it's not quite on yet. Leave it straight, I'm not doing any damage to anything. And just a little bit more to go. I think that's about it. That's real close. That should be it. I believe that'll do it. I won't make you watch me do them all. We'll do one more. This stem right here is a little bit crooked, but I don't want to mess with it trying to straighten it out. Afraid I'll break it. Yeah, that stem's a little crooked. I can't do anything about that. Hope I don't make it worse. Oh, that's getting tough, man. I can't hardly turn that. There we go. That's all the way on. Yeah, that's a little odd looking. It's twisted. Can you see that? It's leaning. Not that bad, but I wish it wasn't like that. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm afraid I would break it. This one looks like it could be mashed on just a little bit more. Tiny, tiny bit. There we go. All right, I won't keep you watch you do the rest of, or watch me do the rest of these. Now that's it. I put some of that slick nuts graphite down inside these tuners, and man, it loosened them right up. They feel good now. No leakage or anything either. Soaked it all up. Alright, that'll be it for now. You all take care.